Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Castile soaps that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dr. Bronner's Pure-Castile Magic Soap Liquid. Produced by a reputable brand founded half a century ago, Dr. Bronner's Castile Peppermint Liquid Soap holds the best pick title in this review, and deservedly so. It can perform the functions of 18 cosmetic and cleaning products, and that makes it one of the best all-purpose solutions out there. With this Dr. Bronner's Castile soap, you can safely ditch your old face cream. The product works wonders taking care of your skin and can effectively fight acne, pimples, and many other unpleasant skin conditions. Moreover, it can also be used as a shampoo. Just wash your hair with it for a few weeks in a row, and you're guaranteed to notice great improvements. Made from organic and vegan ingredients, this soap contains no preservatives and synthetic detergents, so it is perfect for gentle and nourishing whole-body cleansing. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Kirk's original Coco Castile Bar Soap. This soap is essentially perfect. The Kirk's family have been devotedly producing it in accordance with an old classic recipe for over 170 years, and they have never compromised on their product quality, using only the finest and purely natural ingredients. All best traditions and developments have been incorporated here in order to help you achieve great satisfaction from using this wonderful product. A non-toxic and chemical-free composition allows this soap to have hypoallergenic properties. Therefore, you can use this product not only for washing your body, face, hair, but also for intimate hygiene. Since newborns, skin is incredibly delicate, highly permeable, and extremely sensitive to chemicals, Castile soap will be an ideal solution for bathing your baby. It smells heavenly to make your baby's bathing enjoyable and truly delightful. At number 3, we have the Cove Castile Soap Unscented. Nowadays, it is difficult to imagine our lives without modern cosmetics products, which we are accustomed to using every day. However, their production causes detrimental effects and irreparable damage to nature and environment. Cove took this problem seriously and ventured to develop their own environmentally friendly product. The result of their strenuous efforts was an exclusive 100% natural and organic Castile soap. A distinctive feature of its composition is the absence of palm oil. Widespread use of palm oil in the food industry, personal and healthcare products, cosmetics, and industrial production has led to the destruction of tropical rainforests, causing major threats to biodiversity and negatively affecting the climate of our planet. Thus, Cove Company has made their call for a sustainable use of palm oil and preservation of our planet's natural resources. At number 2, we have the Quinn's Pure-Castile Organic Liquid Soap. If you seek a way to reduce the use of chemical stuff and toxic cleaners, this Castile soap will work a treat. Totally unscented and made free of essential oils and synthetic additions, it will become your one and only cleaner perfectly fit for a variety of purposes and household jobs. Quinn's Castile soap is not very expensive, but when it comes to its cleansing properties, it's definitely no slouch. Packed to the rafters with organic and vegan ingredients, all of them being absolutely odorless, it's a universal soldier that can effectively clean all types of surfaces, including sinks, bathtubs, tiles, etc. Not only that, what's more, the soap is also rich in vitamins, minerals, and omega fatty acids. Thanks to that, it boasts a great moisturizing effect and can help get rid of such unpleasant skin conditions as acne and pimples. And finally, at number 1, we have the ultra-mild, unscented Castile soap. Natural Way Organics has developed an organic Castile soap that offers a unique blend of cosmetic and medicinal properties. It includes healing rosemary extract, which is perfect for absolutely any type of skin and has soothing, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory action. It stimulates skin cell renewal and rejuvenation, treats acne, and heals scars. These positive effects are further reinforced and enhanced by aloe vera extract, which protects skin cells from the adverse impact of bacteria and viruses, improving immunity and preventing irritation. And of course, in the best traditions of liquid Castile soap, you can dilute it in water at a ratio 1:40 and use it as a cleaning solution for general house cleaning, washing windows, floors, and furniture, or add a 1/3 to 1/4 cup to a full load of laundry to replace both washing powder and conditioner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.